Arsenal 3, Friends of Aaron 1. We are smoking the got out of jail card. Pack, whatever you want to call it. We got out of jail today. Do not pass go, Ramsdale. Do not collect your 200 quid. Yeah, we are smoking the got away with it pack today. And you're all going to cry because that was shocking. That was disgusting. And I'm fuming with that performance. And people go, oh, Lee, you're only doing it because your views are dead. No, they're not, mate. My views are the same every month, win, lose, or draw. Every month. Yeah, all you dickheads come out the woodwork all of a sudden after you know, deep down in your head and your heart and the pit of your stomach, you know that was a shit performance today. But because we won the game, just be happy. This is why this club's gone 20 years without winning a title. Because of idiots like you. Just be happy we won the game. No, you can call out players for being crap today. Just because they won the game. Where should we start? Because there was loads of them. Where should we start? Let's go with the goalkeeper. Let's go with the goalkeeper. What are you doing, mate? Flappy Bird and that, yeah? Flappy Bird. Flappy Bird. Very nearly flapped Supermaned it and turned into Ramsdale and it hit the crossbar. What is he doing, bro? Oh, but Lee's been good this season. Who cares? Nobody cares. Nobody cares. He was poor today. Let's go to the right back. We've got Tomiyasu on the bench. But I know, let's play Thomas Partey at right back. Because, I mean, last time we did it, it worked so well. We got fucking injured, mate. What is this manager doing, bro? Like, real talk. What is this guy doing? This guy is a weirdo. What is he doing? He was awful, Thomas Partey. Awful. Let's go to the other side. Oh, my days. You, man, have got your pants down for this guy. He can't defend. I believe chucked the ball out of the air and walked off, and his hair was flowing like a mane of hair on a horse. He was galloping up the pitch. He sat a defender down in their box. And what? This guy can't defend. This guy is the Zucchini Zinchenko. The Zucchini Zinchenko. Yeah, and I don't care if you cry, because I'll be back again for Kenny's fan cam, Jez Matty as well. Then an emergency meeting. Then Real Madrid versus Villarreal. Make sure you sub to Lee Reacts, because it'll be on there. And we're close to 33k on there. And I'm actually more chilled on that channel. Do you know why? Because I don't have to watch this every single week. Yeah, I don't have to sit here getting frustrated, with performances every week. I actually get to enjoy football without being stressed. Yeah, that Calafiori is rubbish. And in 2 years' time, you'll all be coming back saying the same thing because you're always 2 years behind. Always. A lot of you are always 2 years behind. You were the same with Ramsdale when I told you, the same with Ben White when I told you, although to be fair to Ben White, he's been very, very good at right back. But I also told you he's getting the Ramsdale treatment this season. Oh, but Lee's got a niggle. Cool. Well, even when he didn't, he was sat on the bench for Timber anyway. Yeah. Now we've got nice, shiny new toys that you fancy. Yeah. Nobody's putting Zinchenko back in the team. Nobody's putting this guy, Ben White, back in the team. Let's go to our centre-back. Saliba. Rubbish. Absolutely rubbish. What was he doing for their goal? What are you actually doing, bro? Gabriel was the best of a bad bunch in defence today. And you can go, oh, yeah, but Lee, the first half, they only had one shot. Yeah, so did we, mate. We had one shot each on target in the first half. One shot each. At home to Southampton. And as soon as we go a goal behind, all of a sudden, we want to start playing 100 mile an hour, quick, tappy, tippy football. Why don't you start like that? Why? Arrogance. That's why. Because they thought they could stroll out there. The manager told them, slow everything down. Yeah, we just started counting how long it's taken throw-ins and corners. Over a minute to take a corner. But as soon as we were losing, oh, you do it in 30 seconds, yeah? Cool. But when it was 0-0, we were taking a minute to take a corner. 40 seconds to take a corner. 50 seconds to take a corner. But as soon as we're losing, all of a sudden, we want to hurry everything up and speed everything up. Start like that. Oh, but they're preserving their energy. Yeah, that was another narrative last season that you idiots came up with. Oh, they're preserving their energy for the running. How did that work out? Lost at home to Aston Villa. Cheers, lads. Let's go into midfield. Declan Rice. You need to learn how to shoot, mate. But again, I think you were the best of a bad bunch in midfield. Because that was not a great performance from you today either. Yeah, I ain't give. If I was to rate these players, yeah, nobody's getting over a 4 today. Yeah, and I'd say he's probably about a 3, 3.5. He weren't great at all. Weren't great at all. Anyway, let's move on. 29. Why is he in midfield again? What are we doing here? Now, real talk, what are we actually doing here? As soon as he goes up front, bang, we score. As soon as he's up front, we actually look more dangerous. I don't rate that geezer one bit. I think he's a scrub. The one thing I will say, man of the match today, 4 out of 10. Well done to you. Yeah, well done to you. Keep scoring goals, mate. I think that's 7 home games in a row you've scored now. Equaled the record. Nobody cares. Yeah, because the person who had the record that you've equaled actually won stuff. Anyway, guys. Anyway. Jorginho. Scrub. Bye-bye. FC Como are calling, mate. Bye-bye. Get him out of the club, mate. This guy's rubbish. He is rubbish. I don't want to see that guy play from my club again. Fuck him off. He's trash. See ya. Yeah. See ya. Bye-bye. Let's go to the wings. Raheem the Dream. He's got unfinished business, apparently. Yeah. The best of me is yet to come and all that crap. Really? Really? Can we terminate the loan? You were awful, mate. Awful. I don't want to see him again. Bye-bye. Back to Chelsea, mate. Go back to Chelsea. See ya. Bye-bye. Adios. Ciao. No mas. I don't want to see no more of you, mate. Let's go to the other side. Starboy. Starboy is going to get all of the plaudits today. He got man of the match. He's got 9.3 ratings and all these stupid apps. He was rubbish. Rubbish. But, however, he chipped in with 2 assists for you assist stat merchants. I'll tell you what. I'll tell you exactly what. You see the goal that he set up for Martinelli? That's an assist. On a plate. That is an assist. All these other stupid assist stats off corners and like 5-yard passes and they slap them in. Yeah, like get out of here, bruv. Do me a favour. Yeah. And his goal came from a mistake. Nice finish, though. However, he was poor today. But again, this is what Bukayo Saka does. He'll chip in, he'll get GA. Very, very much like Mohamed Salah. Plays shit, scores. Plays shit, gets an assist. Yeah, and there's too many people that have infested English football, yeah, that count GA to make out a player's played well. He was poor today. Say it as it is. He was poor today. Is what it is. Is what it is. Have I missed anyone? I don't think I have. Have I missed anyone? I don't think I have. Smash the likes up. Did I miss anyone? Who have I missed? See, this is how dead the game was. Who have I missed? Oh, Jesus, of course. Oh, my days. Oh, my fucking God, this guy, bro. Oh, the Bolivian. Check his passport. This guy's not Brazilian, lads. This guy is not Brazilian. This guy is horrid. I'm sorry, but nah. Nah. Don't play for my club again. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. I've seen enough, mate. I've seen enough. Trash. Martinelli. Great finish. Keeper should have saved it, but that's probably why we got rid of the goalkeeper that you were all gnawing off. I mean, friends of Aaron are in the mud today, aren't they? But it is what it is. Mikel Merino came on. Again, yeah, stop highlighting and hyping up these players. He was poor when he came on. I watched Sociedad all of last season. He's average, and he was below average when he came on. Trossard, again, my baller. Again, not great. Got very lucky. Tried to do a little drag back or roll over or whatever he was doing. Defender over here and Saka scored. Other than that, not great at all, was he, really? Let's be real with it. Yeah, Tomiyasu, well, he's got 2 international games, one against Saudi and one against Australia if he's been called up. So no doubt he'll be injured again for 3 months because his calves are made of sand. Average. Kivior, average. And the manager, absolute shit show. Shit show. What was that starting 11? Where was Ethan? If this guy can't get a game now, when we've got all these players out, how is he going to get a game when they're all back? Bro, if you're watching this, Ethan, mate, yeah? If you're watching this, fella, leave. Real talk. Leave. Yeah, leave. Go and get football somewhere else, mate, because you're way too good to be sitting on the bench every single week. I'm not saying you should be starting every week, because you shouldn't. However, at home to Southampton, a team that are 19th in the league, only got 2 points and conceded goals galore, 2 a game before today, and they conceded 3 today. How are you not getting on the pitch? For the good of your own career, mate, leave. Look at what Reece is doing now is at Fulham. Look at what Smith Rowe's doing. Just go, bro. Just go. January, put a transfer request in. Bye-bye. Go and save your career, mate, because this manager will kill it. Yeah, and people are going to sit here and go, Lee, you're always negative. I'm negative because it's fucking 20 years without a title. It's 4 years without a trophy in general. 31 years without a League Cup. 30 without a trophy in Europe. Yeah, that's why I'm negative. When I see good performances, I say they're good performances. Bolton, good performance. Yeah, PSG, great performance. That was our best of the season. Today, that was shit. Yeah, that was shit. And I don't care that we won the game. That was crap. Yeah, that was absolute garbage. You've got fucking idiots just running around all over the place. Like, can't pass the ball 5 yards. Just spanking it off the first man for a corner, hoping we score for set pieces. Get out of it, man. Are we Stoke City? Yeah, Tapas Pulis back again. Piss off. I am sick to death of this. Yeah, fix up. If at the end of the season, this ends up winning something, then cool. But it ain't. We've seen this story before, lads. Yeah, we've seen it all before. Yeah, and I ain't convinced. And that was far from convincing. That's Southampton, mate. Any competent winger can cook that Calafiori comfortably. Yeah, that guy stinks at left back. Stinks. Our best left back is Kieran Tierney, and you man don't want to hear it. But don't worry. Kieran Tierney FC, mate, our most decorated player at the football club. Well, maybe Jesus, because he's actually got 15. But he stinks. But Tierney's got 14 trophies in total. However, Tierney has actually won something at this football club, and he started the final. He's the only player at this football club that has actually won something at this football club. Yeah, Saka, cool, but he didn't play the final. He didn't play the semi. But he won something. So 2 players. One of them played the final, and this manager and this fan base can't stand him. Oh, he's always injured. What's Tomiyasu then? That guy's always injured. What's Thomas Partey? What's Zinchenko? They're always injured. They're injured more than him. Jesus. All 4 of them, since they've joined the football club, have been injured more than him since they've joined the football club. Every single one of them. Yeah, go and do your Googles, mate. I'm sick to death of it. That was a shocking performance today. Yeah, and these men are lucky there's an international break. They better fix up when they get back, mate. Yeah, I'm out of here. I'm fuming. Kenny outside the ground next. Jez, Matty, emergency meeting, and then Real Madrid. And they better fix up, otherwise I'm on them as well. Yeah, I swear down, if they lose tonight, oh my days, they've lost 3 games in 14 months. They've won 4 trophies in that time, and they want Ancelotti sacked. If he loses at home to Villarreal tonight, oh lordy, oh dear, I'm out of here.